All right, we're going to talk about how to find the total surface area of a rectangular prism. So let's read the question. It says a diagram of a toy box is shown. Its measurements are given in inches. What's the total surface area of the toy box in square inches? So you'll probably be given an equation like this for it's the general formula for a prism. There is another way you can solve it, and I'll go over that here in a minute, but I want to go through this first. So, and I know sometimes these terms are confusing, capital P, capital B, and the height, but hopefully I can help you through all of that. So let's look at each thing. Let's go ahead and start with the perimeter of the base. We're going to need that. And I'm just going to choose this as a base. It doesn't have to be the base. And I'll leave that to you to test it out. You know, what if you made, this over here the base? It'll all still work out. But whatever you pick, then you just need to be consistent with using it. So if that's a base, then this is also a base. And this is important. I'll show you here in just a second why. So the perimeter of the base is just going to be this 40 plus 34 plus 40 plus 34. Okay? So 2 times 40 plus 2 times 34, and that's going to be equal to, drum roll, 148. Okay, and now the height is the distance between the two bases, and that's going to be 30 inches. Okay, that's why it's important to know that both of those are bases. And then the last thing is we need the area of the base. Okay, that's capital B. So the area of the base is going to be 40 times 34, and that'll give us our area. It's going to be 40 times 34, and that's going to be 1,360. So now we have all the information that we need to put into this formula right here. So let's do that. So the perimeter of the base is 148, right? And then the height is 30. And then we put down the 2, because we're going to multiply that times the area of the base, which is 1,360. Okay? 148 times 30 is, I don't know this off the top of my head, but I worked it out. And then 2 times 1360 is 2,720. And now all we need to do is add these together to get our final total area. 2720, and we're going to get 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 7,160. Okay, and that's going to be inches squared, although you don't have to put that into this little answer box down here. Okay, 7,160. And I challenge you to not only figure it out this way, but figure it out just by doing, just by looking at the box, because total surface area is just the area of each one of these things. Right? So try it both ways and see what you get. And I hope this helps. I will see you in the next one.